Alright, so some of the stuff I'm going to go over today is the ruck and what I'm bringing in it as a paratrooper in the 82nd Airborne Division. So if you were to blow out today, you go anywhere in the world, this is the stuff I'm going to have on me immediately. I'm going to go rush right into it. Alright, so this is the MOLLE 4K. I'm going to start off with the outside, starting with the front pouch here. Right off the bat, real quickly, I'm going to have some ear pro, extra batteries, a mirror, and face paint. In this pouch here, I have my toiletry kit. It's a 30-day supply. Heavily used. Extra eye pro. I'm going to have dark and clear. And a PT belt because that's what's required in the packing list. In these two pouches here, I'm going to have my canteens. You can stuff them with anything, but this is typically what I would put in them for extra water. Normally I would not drink out of these. I would just have them as resupplies for my camelback on my my vest. They're on both sides here. On my right side, the sustainment pouches, I'm going to have another toiletry kit that's mainly just powders, foot powder and what have you. Alright, so deodorant, grunt powder, I think this was Salty Bitches. It's a ointment for chafing. And I have a face cloth and some shampoo and conditioner for the field. Next, I'm going to have easy access to extra pairs of socks, beanie, and just a cold weather towel. Just put it over your neck, cools you off, and I believe that's just a scarf. Also, I'm kind of a big believer in some comfort, so we're going to be down for like an hour or two, and I get some sleep time. This is a blow-up pillow, just for a little extra comfort. And then here is just a blowout kit, or contingency pack, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to take it out, but it's essentially a fanny pack with a bunch of survival items in it, and that's it. On the other side, my left, I have a snug pack waterproof bivvy. That's usually the only thing I ever use is just a bivvy. Then I have an e-tool, and then I have one pair of sandals during the downtime. So, in the flap, I have wet weather top, and I have a rain cover for this pack. Here, I always assumed these were extra ammo pouches. However, I'll put extra pairs of socks, which I didn't put a baggie over to waterproof them. I'll have to do that. Oh, yeah. Socks. And more foot powder. Yep. In the main compartment here, right off the bat, right here is going to be my 3 days worth of food. I'm not going to really take them out. It's all heavily packed. I got some extra bandages I have some silk bottoms. I'm currently using my top because it's middle of the winter right now. I have one set of combat top and bottom with socks and underwear, and my second set. The rest, I have a OCP top, excuse me, an OCP, what do you want to call it? Like a poncho, basically. Got a set of PT uniform, shirt and bottom. Don't ask me why we're supposed to have it, I don't know. And then there's going to be a warm weather sleeping bag. I also have a waterproof bag that is required to have. And that is it.